Hey guys, it's Dave with HD Trucks here in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee again. And I have kind of a different truck for us. We normally don't have anything this old on our yard, but this is a 2000 GMC 6500 series. Get this, non-CDL. The reason why we have this truck is because it's barely got 100,000 miles on it. It's got a 16-foot Morgan box on it. Nice shape. Look at there. Nobody's managed to bang it up back into anything, hit it with a forklift. It's amazing, isn't it? It's a California truck. So what you're going to see right here is virtually no indication of any kind of rust issues. Tires are pretty good on it. We just drove this truck in from Phoenix, Arizona, and we had it loaded because we're moving our dealership here from Phoenix. And so we had this loaded with office furniture and, you know, all the kind of stuff that you don't want to have get wet in case it rained. Solid box. It's got the aluminum trim on it. It's got a big heavy-duty trailer hitch, big heavy-duty lift gate on it. And it's kind of one of those cool ones. So when that raises up, it automatically hits these little things right here on there, and then that's what flips it up sideways. So if you don't want it to flip up sideways when you're using it, you just push those down like that, and then it'll go up and down just like a regular lift gate. And I'm just going to lower it down enough so I can use it as a step. Door on it is solid, good. Again, nobody's managed to run anything. Cab corners up there are nice and straight. Nice little piece. And it's got a oak decking in it. It's got a little light up there up above. It's got the side rails on the side like a mover's truck, so you can go ahead and tie cargo loads to it if you want to. And a nice solid oak floor with no apparent issues at all. So 2000 is the year. Dual tanks, don't know if you picked it up or not, but there's another fuel tank on the other side. So 2000 means that virtually no emissions on this. That's got a big old Cat 3126 underneath the hood. It's running an Allison automatic transmission. And as I say, we just drove this in from Phoenix. So we know that this starts, runs, drives, does everything it's supposed to do. And that is a non-CDL truck, even though it's a 6500. Let me get this here. Hopefully you'll be able to see that. So that is non-CDL. Look at the condition of this thing. Now this is just the way we got it in. We obtained it. We loaded it with a bunch of goodies and brought it here. Look at how nice those door panels are. In case you missed it, I see power windows and power door locks there as well. And cruise control, and of course automatic transmission. Now that is not air brakes. Don't let that confuse you. That is an electric parking brake, not air brakes. So if you leave that button in when you start it, it will automatically go into a park mode. We'll just let it cycle. See right there how that says park? Now when you put this thing in drive or park or just anything other than that, it goes off. It automatically releases the brakes, but when you put it back in park, it puts the brakes back on for you. Kind of cool. Yep, that's a check engine light. You see how that flashed right there? Don't know what that is. Our scanners won't scan this truck, but we just drove this 1,600 miles and had no issues at all with it. And as I say, it's a 2000, so it's too old for any of the mean, ugly, horrible DEF problems or anything like that. Air conditioning does work on it, as well as the cruise control. It's a nice straight piece. Dashboard has got some issues on it there. It's all, you know, it's kind of been put back together there, but all in all, for being a 2000, this thing is in remarkable condition. So to sum it up, what you got here is a 100,000 mile 2000 non-CDL GMC 6500 series 16-foot box everything that you need right there. Very low mileage. If you can use this truck, you give me a call. My phone number, of course, is 602-510-5444. And once again, as always, thank you very much for looking.